Clients often ask me how much money they can give their kids each year. And the truth is, you can give them as much as you want, but you have to know that there might be consequences. Most people know that there are some tax rules associated with gifting. Annual gifting is tied to the federal gift and estate tax. The basic rule is that you're allowed to give a certain amount during your life and death. That's your gift and estate tax exemption. If you go over that amount, you'll have to pay tax. But certain things are excluded entirely, and that's where the annual gifting rules come in. You can give a much smaller amount to as many people as you want each year, and it won't be counted against your exemption. If you go over that limit, the annual gifting limit, you dip into your lifetime exemption. You're supposed to tell the IRS that you've gone over by filing a gift tax return, but no tax is due until you exceed your lifetime limit. Right now, the lifetime limit is set at a base of $11 million, and that's adjusted for inflation. So in 2019, when this video is being taped, it's $11.4 million. The annual limit is $15,000 in 2019, but it's also adjusted for inflation from time to time. There are other rules associated with gifting. For spouses, you can give unlimited gifts. There are no restrictions whatsoever. You can also count as gifts medical and education expenses if they are paid directly to the medical provider or the educational institution. These types of payments also will not count toward your exemption. The tricky thing is the exemption that applies to you is the one in the year that you die, and that number is not set in stone. Not only is that base amount adjusted for inflation from time to time, it's set by Congress. Politics has a dramatic effect on this. Right now, the $11 million base is set to revert to $5 million in 2026. But if power in Congress shifts, it could go down more, it could go higher, or it could be eliminated entirely. It's important to realize that this gifting is only a part of federal estate and gift tax. It's not excluded for other purposes, such as when you might apply for Medicaid. So in the end, you can give whatever you want, but there are consequences. The question is not whether you can, but whether you should.
Are you looking for an Arizona attorney to handle your estate planning, trust administration, guardianship, or probate? Call us today at 520-622-0400 or visit us online at elder-law.com.